Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. The topic of our today's video is amazing health benefits of turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, which is also known as golden milk, contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that has many health benefits. These can include protection against certain diseases. In this video, I am going to explain amazing health benefits of turmeric milk. Number 1 is anti-inflammatory. Turmeric milk contains curcumin. Different research has shown that curcumin is highly effective in reducing inflammation. That is why turmeric milk is highly beneficial in reducing pain and swelling etc. Turmeric milk is a powerful antioxidant. Curcumin present in turmeric milk is also a powerful antioxidant. It protects our body from damage caused by free radicals. It also reduces the risk of cancer, diseases of heart, etc. Turmeric milk is also a great immunity booster. Turmeric also boosts immunity levels. Its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties protect us from a variety of infections. Many doctors highly recommend taking a teaspoonful of turmeric in a glass of warm milk every day to keep the common cold and flu at bay. Turmeric milk delays diabetes. Curcumin present in turmeric milk delays the onset of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Curcumin inhibits the formation of inflammatory cytokines, thus having a favorable effect on blood glucose levels. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. The antioxidant property of curcumin found in turmeric may prevent heart diseases and diabetic cardiovascular complications. Curcumin also reduces serum cholesterol levels and protects against the pathological changes occurring with atherosclerosis. Reduces the risk of cancer. Curcumin present in turmeric interferes with the growth and development of cancer cells and prevent their spread at the minutest molecular level. It also effectively reduces the risk of new cancerous growth. Turmeric milk also helps in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is caused by a buildup of protein tangles called amyloid plaques. Curcumin in turmeric helps in clearing these plaques. Turmeric milk helps patients with depression. Curcumin in turmeric boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor level in the brain by helping patients with depression. Curcumin also boosts the brain's neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidant properties of curcumin in turmeric prevent damage to cells and slows down the aging. It effectively prevents the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Curcumin also stimulates new cell growth. Improves digestion. Curcumin in turmeric reduces bloating and keeps the digestive system on track. It stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile. It also helps in preventing and treating pancreatitis. Turmeric milk is good for our skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that can help to heal wounds, prevent acne and breakouts, reduce scars, lighten dark circles, and give a natural glow to our skin. Improves bone health. Curcumin in turmeric reduces pain and improves joint functioning in patients with rheumatoid arthritis. It safeguards bone tissue and prevents bone loss. Our body gets calcium, phosphorus, potassium, protein, vitamin K, and vitamin D by drinking milk. All these nutrients keep our bones strong and healthy. Drinking turmeric milk lowers the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Turmeric milk helps with sleep and anxiety. A warm glass of turmeric milk before you go to bed has amazing effects to improve your sleep. Apart from tasting delicious, The amino acid in the beverage helps you a well rested bout of sleep. This makes sure that you wake up fresh and without the sight of any blues. This is all about the health benefits of turmeric milk. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and for any health related question and query you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.